In this video, I'll quickly walk you through the main groups features available in Bulkify: copy users, add users, remove users, create group, delete group, and export users. Copy users. The copy users feature allows you to copy all users from one group to another. Simply select the source group, choose the destination group, and click Copy Users. This saves time by eliminating the need to add users individually. Add users. With add users, you can add one or multiple users directly into a selected group. This is useful when onboarding new team members or assigning users to specific projects. Remove users. The Remove Users feature helps administrators quickly remove users from a group. Instead of editing users one by one, you can perform bulk removals in just a few clicks. Create group. Need a new team or department group? The Create Group feature allows you to instantly create a new Jira group by simply entering a group name. Delete group. When a group is no longer needed, the Delete Group feature lets you safely remove it from your Jira instance, helping keep your environment organized. Export users. The Export Users feature allows you to download user and group information into a file for reporting, auditing, or record-keeping purposes. With Bulkify, managing Jira groups becomes faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're adding users, organizing teams, or exporting data, Bulkify helps administrators save valuable time and reduce manual effort. Get started with Bulkify today.